Good morning, students of class 7. I am Manibhushan Krishna, subject mathematics. Today I am going to teach you the topic exponents and powers. What is the name of the topic? Exponents and powers. Chapter 4. Okay, just see. What is called exponent? Exponent and powers both are the same things. Okay, just see now the 4 to the power 7. There is a number 4 to the power 7. In this case, what is your base? Base is 4. This is known as base. So base is 4. And what is the power? This one. This is known as power. Is it clear? So that we read as, how we read this one? 4 to the power 7. Once again, how we read? 4 to the power 7. Okay. Just see the next one. I am taking this example now. Minus 7, and as it is the negative term, so that we have put the bracket, and to the power 8. What is base? Base is minus 7. Clear? And what is power? Power is 8. Have you understand? Now see this question. This is the rational number. So minus 3 by 5 to the power 4. So we read like this, that minus 3 by 5 to the power 4. See once again, minus 3 by 5 to the power 4. What it means? Power is 4 to the power 4. I mean power is 4. What is base? Base is your minus 3 by 5. Clear? See the another example. Here it was mentioned that 4 by 7 to the power 5. So is it clear? I think you can write now. What is the base? Base is 4 by 7. And what is your power? Power is 5. So when it is asked what is the exponent? Tell me, what will you write the answer? 4 to the power 7. Base is 4. Exponent is 7. What will you write? Exponent is 7. So power and exponents both are the same terms. Clear? Now, have you understand this types of the power question? What is base and what is the power? Don't confuse that what is the exponent now. Okay, next I am going to proceed for you. See, question says express the given number. These are the questions to you. So express in exponential form. In which form? Exponential form. I mean, when you write in the power form, that is called exponential form. Is it clear? And when you write like this 4 by 7, this is called rational form, P by Q. Okay, have you understand? This is known as 4 by 7. 4 by 7 means P by Q form, so that it is known as rational form. Whereas this is rational number is expressed in the terms of exponential form. So the question says express in exponential form. Okay, what is the question? Just see, the question part is this one. Question part is this one is simply that 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. How we write the answer? In exponential form? Simply just write down the 5 by 7 and how many times it has come? 1, 2 and 3. So power becomes 3. Is it clear? Once again, just see you observe that 5 by 7 is written 1, 2 and 3 times. So we will write 5 by 7 and whole to the power how much? Count 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3. Let's see the next question. Minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. So that it should be how much? Minus 9 by 2 to the power 5. I think you are quite able now. Whatever the question should be, you can write in this exponential form. Just try. Just see. The question it says, at present I have told you, express in the form of P by Q, I mean rational form. P by Q के form में you have to express. So what is the data? This is your exponential form. This is known as exponential form. And what is this? See, whatever I have written here, just see inside the box. I am mentioning now the box. See, this is called exponential form. This is known as expanded form. Yes. What is this? This is your expanded form. And what is this? This is your rational form. Have you understand? Once again, my 5 by 6 to the power 5 can be written as 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 5 times. And now multiply all the numerators. Multiply all the denominators. You are getting this one. No. Now just see, this is known as exponential form. This is known as expanded form. What? Yes. May I write to you? Just see, I am going to write for you. Expanded. Okay. Is it clear now? This is your expanded form. Okay. So, so question is expressed in the P by Q so that in the form P by Q. Okay. So we have written at first in expanded form. Now we have multiplied and this is known as rational number. Okay, just see another example, minus 4 by 3 to the power 3. So that it is minus 4 by 3 times 3 times. Okay, now can you write now? Just multiply 4 into 4 into 4, how much? 64. And now minus you have to multiply it 3 times. है ना? So that minus minus plus plus minus minus, so that your answer is minus here. And now denominator 3 into 3 9, 9 3 is 27, minus 64 by 7. Now I just mentioned this formula that minus 1 to the power 11. I mean the negative number how many times? Even number of times. I mean 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times, 10 times, and so on. All the if the minus occurs even number of times, your answer should be positive. When negative minus 1, I mean negative number is present there odd number of times. Just see for 3 times it is negative. So that I mentioned here minus 1. So either it should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So that remember this formula so that you should not do like this minus minus plus plus minus minus. So many times. How many times you will do it? So remember this formula. Minus 1 to the power even it should be plus 1 and minus 1 to the power odd it should be minus 1. So I think it is clear to you. So just say once again, first form we have to express what is base and what is power. Second exponential form and third p by q form. Now come for just see express as power of rational numbers. Question say as powers of rational. It is not a rational number. It says that powers of rational number. What it means? It means that you have to express in the exponent form. Clear? So 81 by 625. Now we factorize and we write like this. I think you know for the factorization. No. So you can factorize 81. How you factorize? Just see that I am doing for you here. 81 can be done by 3. It should be your 27. Once again by 3. It should be 9. Once again by 3. You will do by 3. In say. Okay. So in this way you can write now. Just say 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and our denominators 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 and so that we can mention 3 by 5 to the power 4. Okay. See here minus 8 by 125. This can be minus 8 can be factorized like this 3 times minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Now denominators 5 into 5 into 5, and so that it becomes minus 2 by 5 to the power 3. Now the same thing can be written you can write in this way also, that this minus 8 by 125 can be written like this, minus 2 by 5, once again minus 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Is it? So 2 to the 4 to the 8, so there is minus 8 there. So that you can, instead of this form, you can write your answer in this form also. Both are correct. Minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. And I think this is the more correct form. Is it clear? Rather than this one, this is the more correct. So express minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5, and so it is minus 2 by 5 to the power 3. Okay. So I think if it is mentioned here powers of rational number, it means you have to express in exponent form. Clear? See more. Now question is that find the reciprocal of. What is the question? Find the reciprocal of. I think you know what is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of A by B can be written as B by A, or reciprocal of 6 will be 1 by 6. As it is 6 can be written as 6 by 1. So that is 1 by 6. I think you know this one. Now come to here. The question was that find the reciprocal of 12 to the power 5. What is the question? Find the reciprocal of 12 to the power 5. So you write, whenever you write your answer, you just mention it. Reciprocal of 12 to the power 5. Is it clear? You must mention so that it should be more clear. Reciprocal of 12 to the power 5 should be how much? 1 by 12 to the power 5. Clear? Next question. Reciprocal of minus 2 by 7 to the power 3. What it should be? Simply just reverse it. So that minus 7 by 2 to the power 3. Is it clear? Just see, this is the special case. Negative is outside the bracket. Negative is outside the bracket. Reciprocal of this term, 7 by 8 the whole square. So that minus will present as it is. And so the reciprocal of 7 by 8, how much? 8 by 7. And so the power of 2. Okay. Have you learned how to write the reciprocal of the given number? Okay. Now students, for the next worksheet, I am just going to mention all the laws at the same place. This is divided in so many worksheets in your book, but just learn at a time. Just see. X to the power m into x to the power n. What can we write written as? X to the power m plus n. Yani, in case of multiplication, power is added. In case of division, power is subtracted. Now, x to the power m to the power n should be x to the power mn. Clear? Now, when x to the power 0, your answer should be 1. And x to the power minus 1, I mean the reciprocal of x, that is called 1 by x. Okay, but x to the power minus m, then you can write 1 by x to the power m. Follow? Whereas x by y to the power minus m, then take the reciprocal y by x and to the power m. Okay, as it is the minus m and now it is converted, I have to take the reciprocal so that it is y by x, but power should now becomes m. Follow? In the same way, you can write a by b to the power minus 1. It is how much? B by a. So, I just hope that you will memorize all these formulas and then try. At first, you learn all the formulas, okay, of exponents. These are known as result of exponent, and then try to solve some problems. Okay. Just see, I am taking simple examples so that you can understand these laws. Just see. First, minus 3 by 7 to the power 3 into minus 3 by 7 to the power 4. So base is same. Base is same. Now there is multiplication. So that power will be added. How? Just see. X to the power m, x to the power n. Base is same. Power is different. Now multiplication. So that result is x to the power m plus 1. So here we can write now minus 3 by 7 to the power 3 plus 4, that is minus 3 by 7 to the power 7. Clear? Now let's take this another example. Minus 3 by 5 to the power 6 divided. Now, see once again, the base is same, but there is division. There is division. And so that power should be subtracted. Now, minus 3 by 5, क्या हो गया? 6 minus 3. Okay. And so, your answer should be minus 3 pi to the power 3. And that's your answer. Okay. Now, let's see. This is the case of simplification. I have taken from the another worksheet. Okay. 9 by 2 to the power 0 and whole to the power 5. Suppose the whole thing is your base, and base to the power 5. So power should be multiplied. So that 9 by 2 whole to the power, what happens? 0 into 5. So that power is multiplied 0. And so this is 1. Okay. One can do also like this. 9 to by 2 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 to the power 5. 1 to the power 5 means 1. You can solve like that also, no problem. Here, simplify 2 to the power minus 3. What will you write? 1 by 2 to the power 3, as it is a negative minus 3. And now 2 by 3 can 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 1 by 8. Okay. So students, for today, that's all. I hope that you will understand here. And so do the practice for this one. Next day I will proceed for the next part. Okay. Thank you.